Hello everyone, and welcome back to Miss Lily English, the place where learning English feels friendly, relaxed, and a little bit fun. I'm Lily, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hi everyone, I'm Jason. It's great to be back. And yes, I'm smiling already because today feels like a good day to talk and learn together.
Jason, you look unusually energetic today. Something interesting happened this morning?
Oh, yes, a very large cup of coffee happened. The kind of coffee that makes you believe you can change your whole life before noon.
Coffee is powerful, but honestly, I'm also excited because today's topic is something very real, very practical, and very helpful for English learners.
That's right. Today we're talking about something that sounds simple, but actually changes everything, not only in English, but in daily life too.
Exactly. Our topic today is consistency versus motivation.
The classic battle. Motivation feels exciting, but consistency quietly does all the work.
Before we jump in, a small friendly reminder, if you enjoy listening to Miss Lily English, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English too.
Especially that friend who always says, "I'll start tomorrow."
Jason, let's start simple. What is motivation?
Motivation is that strong feeling, the excitement, the moment when you suddenly say, "This is it. Today I change my life."
Yes, that feeling is very familiar. Do you remember last year when you wanted to learn how to play the guitar?
Oh no, yes, I remember. Please be gentle.
You were so excited. You bought a guitar, you bought books, you watched videos online.
I was full of dreams. I wanted to be a rock star, or at least someone who could play one full song.
That strong excitement, that fire, that is motivation.
Right, motivation feels amazing. I felt unstoppable.
But let me ask you something. Do you play the guitar now?
No, the guitar is in my closet. It's very clean. Too clean.
So what happened to the fire?
After 1 week, my fingers hurt. The songs were difficult. I was tired after work. The fire slowly disappeared.
And that's the problem with motivation. It's like fireworks, bright and exciting, but gone very quickly.
One day I feel excited, the next day I feel tired and hungry.
Exactly. Motivation comes and goes. You can't depend on it.
So what about consistency? Is consistency also a feeling?
No, consistency is not a feeling. Consistency is an action.
An action?
Yes, it's doing something even when you don't feel excited, even when you're tired, even when you're busy.
Even when the sofa is calling your name.
Especially then, consistency means doing a small thing every single day.
Every day sounds hard.
It sounds hard, but it's actually easier because you don't need motivation. You only need a habit.
Like brushing my teeth?
Perfect example. Do you need motivation to brush your teeth in the morning?
No, I don't wake up excited about toothpaste.
You just do it. It's automatic. That's consistency.
So brushing my teeth is consistency, but learning guitar depended on motivation.
Exactly. If you played guitar for just 10 minutes every day, like brushing your teeth,
I would be much better now. Maybe not famous, but definitely less embarrassing.
this is very important for English learners too.
Oh yes, many students start with big motivation.
They say, I will study English 2 hours every day.
They buy books, download apps, make beautiful schedules.
Then life happens. Work gets busy, family needs help,
They skip 1 day, then 2 days.
and then they stop waiting for motivation to come back.
But motivation doesn't always come back.
So we need a better plan. We need consistency.
Lily, I want to be consistent, but sometimes I'm lazy.
We're all lazy sometimes. That's normal. So here's my trick. Make it small.
How small?
Don't study for 1 hour. Study for 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That feels too easy.
That's why it works. Everyone has 5 minutes, even on a bad day.
I waste 5 minutes choosing what to watch.
Imagine reading 1 page of an English book every night.
One page is friendly. I like one page.
In 1 year, that's 365 pages. That's 2 or 3 full books.
Wow, small steps really add up.
Exactly. And 10 minutes every day is better than 5 hours on Sunday.
Because Sunday is for relaxing, not suffering.
Rule number 1, start small.
What's rule number 2?
Rule number 2, don't break the chain.
The chain?
Use a calendar. Every day you study, even 5 minutes, put a big X on that day.
My brain loves X's.
When you see many X's in a row, you feel proud. You don't want to break the chain.
That would hurt emotionally.
But if you miss one day, it's okay. We are humans, not robots.
Thank you. I was worried.
The rule is simple. Never miss 2 days in a row.
One day is a mistake, 2 days becomes a habit.
Exactly.
I like this. It feels realistic, calm, not stressful.
And remember this, perfection is the enemy of consistency.
Wow, that sentence hurts, but in a good way.
If you try to be perfect, you'll quit. If you try to be good enough every day, you'll win.
Good enough is my favorite level.
Great, because that's where real progress lives.
I feel calmer now, not excited like fire, but ready.
And that calm, steady feeling is exactly what we need to keep going.
I'm ready to continue this conversation because I think this can help a lot of people.
So, Jason, now that we understand motivation and consistency, let's talk about real life, because real life is usually messy.
Very messy. Real life doesn't care about our beautiful plans.
Exactly. Many people understand consistency in theory, but they struggle when life gets busy.
Busy days, tired days, bad mood days, my personal favorites.
Same here. That's why consistency needs a safety plan.
A safety plan sounds serious. I like it.
The safety plan is simple. Even on the worst day, you still do the smallest version of your habit.
So not all or nothing, but something is enough.
Exactly. Many people quit because they think, if I can't do it perfectly, I won't do it at all.
That thinking has ruined many gym memberships.
And many English learning plans too. So let's make consistency easier.
Okay, how do we do that?
First, we shrink the habit even more. On busy days, 5 minutes might still feel too big.
Wow, even 5 minutes can feel heavy after work.
Then we go smaller, 1 minute.
1 minute? That's barely enough time to complain.
True, but 1 minute keeps the habit alive.
So 1 minute is not about learning a lot, it's about showing up.
Exactly. Showing up is the real success.
I like that. It removes pressure.
Let's give listeners some real examples. Imagine you're learning English.
Okay, I'm listening.
On a great day, you might listen to a podcast for 20 minutes.
Like this one.
Thank you. But on a terrible day, your rule is simple. Listen to 1 sentence.
Just 1 sentence?
Yes, repeat it once. That's it.
That feels possible.
And that's the key word. Possible habits survive busy lives.
Impossible habits die very quickly.
Another problem people face is waiting for the right time.
Yes, the magical, perfect time that never comes.
People say, I'll start when I have more time, or I'll start next month.
Or after my life becomes calm, which never happens.
So instead of waiting for time, we attach habits to existing routines.
Like habit stacking.
Exactly. After brushing your teeth, listen to English for 5 minutes.
Or while waiting for food to cook, speak English to yourself.
Yes, cooking English is very effective.
My neighbors might be confused, but progress is progress.
Another powerful idea is making the habit visible.
Meaning,
Leave your English book on your desk. Put a sticky note on your laptop.
something that says 5 minutes only.
Exactly. The word only makes the habit feel friendly.
My brain feels calmer already.
Now let's talk about guilt, because guilt is a big enemy of consistency.
Yes, when I miss a day, I feel bad and avoid it even more.
That's very common, so we need a new rule.
I'm ready.
Missing 1 day is okay. Missing 2 days in a row is not.
The famous two rule again.
Yes, because one missed day is normal life. 2 missed days creates a new habit.
And usually a bad one.
Exactly. So when you miss one day, forgive yourself and return immediately.
Forgive, don't quit.
Perfect.
Lily, this is making me feel much better about my past failures.
Good, because consistency is about the future, not the past.
That's a powerful sentence.
Let's also talk about energy. Some days you have energy, some days you don't.
Most days I don't.
Then consistency helps even more. On high energy days, you can do more.
And on low energy days, you do the minimum.
Exactly. Consistency doesn't mean same effort, it means same commitment.
Wow, same commitment, different effort.
Now, let's move beyond English. Can consistency help in other areas?
Cleaning my house, please.
Perfect example. Many people wait until their house becomes a disaster.
That's me.
That's motivation cleaning. You wait until you're annoyed.
And then I clean for 4 hours and hate every minute.
Consistency cleaning is 10 minutes every day.
10 minutes feels reasonable.
Wash a few dishes, wipe one table, stop.
And my house never becomes a disaster.
Exactly. And you don't lose your weekend.
My weekend, thank you.
This works for exercise, reading, drinking water, everything.
So consistency is a life skill.
Yes, a very calm, very powerful life skill.
I feel like I'm learning how to be kinder to myself.
That's part of it. Consistency is gentle.
Gentle but effective.
Exactly.
I'm ready to hear how we wrap all of this together.
So, Jason, after everything we talked about today, I feel like this topic is not really about English anymore.
I feel the same. It started with English, but now it feels like a life lesson.
Exactly. Consistency isn't just a study method, it's a way to live without so much pressure.
And without waiting for motivation to suddenly knock on the door.
Right, because motivation is unpredictable. Some days it's there, some days it's not.
And consistency doesn't care about moods. It just asks, did you show up today?
That's such a good way to say it. Showing up matters more than feeling excited.
I think many people believe progress should feel dramatic.
Yes, like big changes, big emotions, big effort.
But real progress is usually quiet.
Quiet, small, and repeated.
And honestly, that feels much more comfortable.
Let's remind everyone again. Consistency does not mean doing a lot every day.
It means doing a little every day.
5 minutes, 1 page, 1 sentence.
Even 1 minute if that's all you have.
Because 1 minute keeps the habit alive.
And a living habit is better than a perfect plan that never starts.
That sentence deserves a slow clap.
Thank you. I'll clap for myself later.
Another important idea is being kind to yourself.
Yes, guilt kills consistency.
When you miss one day, don't tell yourself a negative story.
Don't say, I always quit, or I'm bad at this.
Just say, okay, today was busy. I'll try again tomorrow.
And follow the rule. Never miss 2 days in a row.
That rule alone can change everything.
It removes the drama.
And keeps the focus on action, not emotion.
Lily, earlier you said consistency is gentle.
Yes,
I really like that idea. It doesn't push you, it doesn't shout.
it just waits for you every day.
Like a calm friend saying, ready when you are.
Exactly. And over time, that calm friend helps you grow.
Slowly but surely.
Let's connect this back to English one more time.
Good idea.
If you want to improve your English, don't aim for perfect grammar or perfect pronunciation every day.
Aim for daily contact with the language.
Listen a little, speak a little, read a little.
Make English part of your normal life,
Not something special that needs the right mood.
because waiting for the right mood is dangerous.
Very dangerous.
So instead, choose a small habit and protect it.
Put it on your calendar.
Mark your X.
Feel proud of your chain.
And if the chain breaks, fix it quickly and move on.
No punishment.
No quitting.
Just return.
That's the secret.
Jason, how do you feel now compared to the beginning of this episode?
Honestly, I feel calmer.
Not excited?
Not excited like fire, but ready, stable.
That's the best place to be.
I don't feel pressure to change everything today.
Just one small thing.
Exactly. Tonight, I'll do 5 minutes of English.
And tomorrow?
I'll try again.
Perfect answer.
Before we say goodbye, let's ask our listeners something.
Yes, think about this question.
What is one tiny habit you can start today?
Not tomorrow, not next week, today.
It can be learning English, reading, walking, or even cleaning for 5 minutes.
Share your answer in the comments.
We love reading them.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ms.Lily English if you enjoy learning English through real conversations like this.
Share this episode with a friend who's waiting for motivation to magically appear.
Be the turtle, not the firework.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We really appreciate you listening and learning with us.
Take care, keep it small, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.